afraid Chicoletta and I need help finishing our first donut.
Here comes the airplane.
Whew, what has that baby been eating? Sorry, I ate liver-flavored kibble for breakfast.
Who needs reindeer when you've got moss?
Right rudder.
Check.
Left rudder.
Check.
Air pressure. Not bad at all.
You used this on the swamp guy! Ugh.
It does taste swampy. You've got no manners.
Excuse me? I've got no manners? You're not exactly Lady Fancy Fingers.
And if you are careful, you won't get burned.
That chakra opened less like a flowing creek and more like a burping bison.
Tastes like onions and bananas, but strangely something else. Pickles?
Yup, home is where your rump rests.
It's beautiful.
I'm starved.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole...
Whoa, nice one, Simba. Thanks.
Okay, sure, get technical. But who's gonna teach him the really important stuff? Like how to belch and dig for grubs.
Oh, hello. Wow. Nice one, Simba.
Oh, thanks.
Okay. Spicy. Ooh, my tongue is tingly. Excuse me. Hey, Big B. That one sounded like Uncle Pumbaa.
I'm not Wednesday.
No. No, you're not.
Good. Come, Makini.
Sorry, won't happen again. Beats me.
Do not know.
Nope.
Ooh, I can burp too. Ugh, seriously.
Great. See ya, Chama.
Yup. See ya. Wouldn't want to be.
Yeah.
For the 10th way of Christmas.